This is the body scan meditation led by Dr. Brandon Yabko. So starting off by finding a comfortable position, perhaps on the floor, a mat, a bed. Or you can do this seated if you prefer. Allowing the eyes to close gently. Or if leaving them open, just finding a place on the ceiling or the floor to fix your gaze. And starting by just noticing the rising and falling of the chest and abdomen. Perhaps noticing if the chest or the stomach are moving together or separately. And if you'd like, taking a deep breath into the abdomen and out. And this is belly breathing, breathing in and out from the belly. Feel free to do a few more rounds of belly breathing, as this helps to activate the rest and digest system of the body. And now, in your mind's eye, moving the attention down the left leg and all the way out to the left foot. Noticing as best you can sensations in the left foot. Noticing the big toe, the little toe, and toes in between. Are the toes warm or cool? Perhaps dry or damp? Maybe there's some pulsing sensations or other subtle vibrations in the toes. Or there may be toes that there's no sensation. And this is okay too, just noticing what it's like when there's a lack of sensation in this area of the body. Expanding to the top of the foot. The sides and bottom of the foot. The heel. Perhaps the place that the foot is making contact with the floor in some way. The ankle. And if you'd like, you can even Imagine breathing all the way in through the nostrils, down the left side of the body, and in to the left foot. And then on the exhale, breathing out from the left foot. And this breathing into and out of different body parts is something that may support your practice or something that you could let go of. Just noticing what's working for you right now. Letting go of needing things to be a certain way. And trying your best to just be here with the body. Moving attention now to the shin and calf of the left leg. As best you can, bringing interest and curiosity to this region of the body. Moving now to the left knee. Perhaps even seeing if you can feel into the knee. Top of the knee, sides and back of the knee. And here too, if it supports your practice, breathing into the knee and out from the knee. And in this way, using the breath to help guide attention. Moving now to the upper left leg region, to the quadriceps muscle, the hamstrings, the back of the leg, the thigh and hip, as best you can, bringing a gentle curiosity. What sensations are here right now in this region of the body? And whenever the mind wanders, which it will, it's okay, best you can, noticing where the mind has wandered off to, and then gently, kindly escorting the attention back to either the breath and then back out to whatever body part we may be on, or directly out to whatever body part that we've left off. In this case, the upper left leg region. And now expanding the attention to the left leg as a whole, all the way out from the bottoms of the foot to the hip, noticing all the sensations here. Escorting the attention now around the body, down the right leg and all the way out to the right foot. Perhaps noticing each of the toes, the spaces between the toes. What's the temperature of the toes in this moment? Are they dry or damp? Expanding awareness to the right foot as a whole, to the instep, an arch, the heel and ankle. Perhaps even breathing in to the right foot, and when you exhale, letting go of the right foot and shifting awareness into the lower leg region of the right leg, the shin, the calf. We often overlook this region of the body. So seeing what it's like to bring attention here, right now, to really feel sensation in this moment. And now to the right knee, sides of the knee, the top and back. Noticing any sensations in this joint where the cartilage meets, surrounded by synovial fluid. As best you can, being with sensations in the right knee. And now to the upper right leg. Noticing sensations in the thigh, quadriceps and hamstrings, and all the way to the hip. As best you can. Sensing in to this region of the body. What temperature is here? Perhaps coolness or warmth. Perhaps noticing if there are pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral sensations here. Moving now to the pelvis, to the organs and the groin, the buttocks, Shifting now to the lower back. Once again, noticing if there's any unpleasant, pleasant, or perhaps neutral sensations in this region of the body. This is a region of the body that many tend to carry tension or tightness in. And when this happens, if it's experienced as unpleasant, perhaps breathing in to this area as a way to make space for whatever sensations are here. And then as you exhale, perhaps letting go of any tension or tightness that's available for you to let go of. You can feel free to do this with any unpleasant sensations that you experience during body scan meditation. And in this way, the breath is used as a way to expand our ability to hold sensation. And then as a way to let go of any unnecessary efforting, tension, tightness. Expanding now to include the mid-back. Perhaps noticing the rib cage in the back. The points of contact that the back is making with whatever surface is holding you. Moving the awareness around the body and into the abdomen. Perhaps noticing the subtle rising and falling of the belly with each inhale and each exhale, the one right after the next. Perhaps even seeing if you can sense in to the many different organs in this region of the body. And if so, what does it feel like? And if not, that's okay too. Notice what it's like not to feel in this moment. And shifting to the chest. The region of the body where we often experience the lungs as they expand and contract towards the spine with each inhale and each exhale. Perhaps even seeing if you can feel the heart beating. Or there's a lack of sensation. Noticing that too. And now shifting the attention down the left arm and all the way out to the left hand. Feeling whatever sensations are in the left hand. Any tingling, pulsing. Feelings of warmth or coolness. Perhaps dry or damp. Sensing into the knuckles, all the fingers and fingernails, the palms and backsides of the hand, the wrist, the forearm and elbow. The bicep and tricep. Shifting now around the body, down the right arm, now to the right hand. Perhaps asking yourself, what does the right hand feel like in this very moment? Maybe even going past what the mind is telling you it feels like and really, really feeling it right now. Including the wrist, the right forearm and elbow, the bicep and tricep. Shifting now to the shoulders and the upper back. This is another place that many people tend to carry tension and tightness in. So just noticing if there's any unnecessary holding or tensing of muscles in this area. if it's available to you to let go of, and seeing if you can let go. Soften. Shifting now to the neck. Noticing perhaps where the neck begins, the shoulder muscles end. The neck that has a cervical spine, a throat, part of the esophagus, the muscles around the neck that hold the head. Bringing attention now to the jaw, the lips and chin and cheeks. Perhaps feeling into the mouth, the inside of the cheeks, tongue, teeth, gums. Including the nostrils, the cheekbones, the eyes and eyebrows, all the way up to the forehead and temples. Feeling into the sides of the head, the ears, sensations of sound, including the back of the head and the top of the head. The head that holds a very important organ, the brain. Perhaps seeing if you can feel into the head. Now expanding the awareness to the body as a whole, from the top of the head all the way out to the tips of the toes. As best you can, being present with the body as a whole. Resting in awareness of the entire body.